We're talking about my favorite features of Glorify. It's a Canva alternative graphic design tool. Now, if you are looking for a reason to purchase Glorify, make sure to watch the entire video and skip chapters in the description if you want, but make sure to watch till the end for a special freebie I have for all of you. So with that said, let's get started. All right, so there are a lot of good features that I absolutely love about Glorify, and Glorify is definitely different than Canva. There are a lot of features that Glorify has that Canva does not have. So if you are looking to buy this tool, let me know what you think about these features because I like them and I want to show these favorite features of mine in this video. So the first feature that I absolutely love is the fact that it bundles all of the designs together. All of the similar designs are bundled together. So when I click on templates, there's bundles of designs, okay? So, for example, I like this kind of cool, bright neon style. So this is a banner, but if I click on this icon, it'll show me all of the bundles for this style. So I can have a very consistent messaging, very consistent visuals across all of my social media, all across my websites, right? If I click on this yellow one, there's bundles as well, right? So if I like this red coffee one, this one does not have a bundle, unfortunately. Let's see, that's interesting, but let me click that again. Okay, so some don't have bundles. Let's do this green one. Yeah, it could be a bug, but let's see. Let's do this one, okay, see, so there's bundles here, so, and then you can open the bundle and you could take a look at them and see if this bundle is something that you really want, right? So it shows you all of these different sizes. So that's the first feature that I absolutely love about Glorify. Now the next feature is something that Canva definitely does not have. So let me go to my design that I created earlier, and with Glorify, you have the ability to look at the layers. So on the right, you can look at all of the layers that your image has. And that's amazing, right? So you can move things around, you can rename things, you can rename things and then move things like that. Or if you want the shape to go above or, below, you could do that. So you can really organize things however you want to. Now, Canva does not have that. That's one of the features that I wish Canva had, but they don't. But Glorify does have that. So this gives you a lot of control on, what elements to move around and things like that. And if there's an element that's hiding, it's going to be hiding because you could look at the layers, right? So the next thing I love about Glorify is their ability to give you gradients for background and text. Okay, so for whatever reason, I'm not sure why my my thing is kind of dark here. Okay, that's better. Okay, so gradients. I love gradients. So for example, let's see. Okay, so for example, let me move this and let me edit the background. So I'm going to remove the background. Okay, so the background is, this cream color. So what I could do is add a gradient to it. So if I click here, turn on gradient, I can add, any type of color I want. And that's amazing, right? So I could do like this green and then blue, right? So really cool, really, really nice. Let's do that. And then you can kind of tell it where you want it to kind of show, right? Linear or on the corner. So really nice, really, really nice. And you could do that for the backgrounds. You could do that for different elements. So shape settings, you can add a gradient to that and, you know, change things like that. So really, really cool. I absolutely love the gradient feature. And let me actually just turn off the gradient. It also works with the text. It also works with the text. Actually, let me go back to the background and let's do, wait, let's see, do that. And then for green, I'm gonna do, I don't know, like that. Blue, like that. All right, just for the sake of this video, okay? Now for the text, you can add gradients to the text. So let's see. So for the text, you can add a gradient. So I'm going to click the drop down, or no, click here, and then you can add a gradient, right? So really trendy, really cool right now, and it's something that I don't think Canva has that I know of. So you could do any type of cool gradient you want, right, to make your text really stand out from the rest. And ooh, that's really nice. So really cool, right? And then you can show like where it begins and ends, right? So you can add really cool gradients, and I absolutely love that. Okay, so those are my top 3 favorite features of Glorify. And if you're on the fence, I really hope that these features can really change your mind and you definitely get this tool. And they are currently on a lifetime deal on Appsumo. So you can purchase the tool for a lifetime for just a $97, starting at $97. So you have the tool for life. If you're a solo person, just get tier 1. But if you are an agency, a consultant with many different brands or clients, go for tier 3. All right. And now that you are at the end of this video, I want to give you a freebie. So this freebie is actually a bundle of 3 free ebooks that I gathered from Glorify. Now, these ebooks really will help you improve your e-commerce strategy and help you sell more products online through graphics and just through a better e-commerce strategy. So for the first ebook I have, it's a list of e-commerce dates, and it tells you all of like the main holidays and how you can promote your products according to the holiday. All right. And then the second ebook is actually one of my favorites. It's the 10 product image techniques that will make you sales. So these techniques are what you could do within Glorify. So they teach you how to like take photos of your products, like what kind of lifestyle images work, product shots, like how to show the features and the benefits within the graphic for your products. And then the last ebook is more of a business ebook. And this is how you can adopt your e-commerce strategy during hard times, such as like the pandemic, or if you have like a negative PR thing that happened to your business. It teaches you how to improve your PR, how to reach your customers at the lowest points and bring them in to make sure they stay with you and your brand, and that you can maintain your sales, even increase your sales during hard times. So I recommend you get this ebook bundle. Just click the link in the description. It's completely free. So just put in your first name and your email, and I'll send over these 3 ebook bundles to your inbox so you can enjoy them, read up on them, and then you can implement what you learned in the Glorify app, right? So hopefully you enjoyed. You will get value from this bundle and you enjoyed this video. So I will see you in the next one. If you want to learn even more about Glorify, make sure to click on this video to watch my general review and demo of the entire tool, and click on this video to learn about my least favorite features of the tool. All right, I'll see you in the next one.